Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one, we have 5x to the power of 4. This one, we have 2x. Next, this one, we have 20x to the power of 4. This one, we have 40x. Next, because this is about number 10, this is about number 20, so we want to create like this. So we need to divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equal to number 0, so I will put number 0 gone here, from here. So this one we have u equals to number 0. When s equals to number 1, that is from here. So I will put number 1 gone here and here. So we have u equals to number 24. So number 0 we change by number 0. Number 1 we change by number 24. This one we change by u. This one with the s we change by the u over 2. So the integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 e to the power of u, and I will put the bounds from 0 to number 24. And this one we have number 1. That is the end. Thank you for watching.